Black beans as a plant-based protein source. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Today we are going to be looking at black beans as a plant-based protein source. Black beans are a highly nutritious legume and an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them a popular choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to incorporate more plant proteins into their diet. Rich in flavor and easy to add to various dishes, they offer numerous health benefits and make a great addition to a balanced diet. Nutritional profile of black beans. A 1 cup serving of cooked black beans provides approximately protein 15 grams, fiber 15 grams, carbohydrate 41 grams, fat less than 1 gram, iron 20% of the daily value DV, magnesium 30% of the DV, folate 64% of the DV. The high protein content of black beans, along with their rich fiber and nutrient profile, makes them a powerful food for supporting muscle health, digestion, and energy. Benefit of black beans as a protein source. 1. Complete protein pairing. While black beans aren't a complete protein on their own, they lack some essential amino acids. Pairing them with grains like rice can create a complete protein. This combination provides all 9 essential amino acids, supporting muscle and tissue repair. 2. Rich in fiber. Black beans are high in dietary fiber, which support digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar. The fiber content also promotes satiety, making them a filling addition to meals. 3. Heart health. Black beans contain antioxidants like anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, their high potassium and magnesium levels support healthy blood pressure. 4. Low glycemic index. Black beans have a low glycemic index, which means they can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an ideal choice for individuals with diabetes or anyone seeking sustained energy. 5. Sustainable protein source. As a plant-based protein, black beans are environmentally friendly compared to animal-based protein sources. They require fewer resources to grow, making them a sustainable choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Now let's see some easy ways to incorporate black beans. Salads and bowls. Add black beans to salads or grain bowls for a boost of protein. Next, soups and stews. Use black beans as a hearty addition to soups, stews, or chilies. 3. Tacos and wraps. Black beans are a popular filling for tacos, burritos, and wraps. 4. Smoothies. For a protein boost, blend a small amount of black beans into smoothies. It adds creaminess without altering the taste significantly. Now, in conclusion, black beans are a versatile, nutrient-dense, and cost-effective source of plant-based protein that can support various health goals, from muscle maintenance to heart health. Whether you are following a plant-based diet or just looking for nutritious protein options, black beans are a valuable addition to a healthy eating plan. I know you have learned a lot from this video. Do well to like this video, share this video to as many people that needs to learn the value in this video, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye.